Soften it up and then use a plastic scraper so you won't risk scratching. That will help clean off any that pushes outside the seal shape. Yeah, I'm just applying a nice small bead. It goes a long way. Spreading it up to where I stopped on the previous stretch. So we apply the adhesive to the sill and the seal. We let that set for a second, and we do reinforce with one additional small thin bead on the sill side. I do like to very gently pull just to make sure that I'm getting a good adhesion. And then I'm just adding tape again just to make sure that nothing moves around and everything is held in place while it continues to set. So any mess or spill out that happens on the extrusion, I'm going to clean up when I'm all done.